Check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it.
Hey, Greg and the CE call me hip hop junkie. Straight to your dome piece like Brass Monkey. All I wanna know, do you wanna get funky? CNC beats be kick.
So for today's video guys, we're going to tackle the computer system servicing COC for repairing and maintaining computer system and networks, remote desktop, scanning virus, checking OS, checking hard disk, refragmentation, disk cleanup, and system restore. So these are the COC 4 to perform these videos. So the first is we have remote desktop. So remote desktop is you're going to share your files of any documents in your computer. So the first is we need to install the Windows 7 to have a access of remote desktop session, because Windows 7 is a proof and a working for remote desktop, because Windows 11 and Windows 10 did not work when you are going to perform the remote desktop session. So let's just wait, because it is already set up in the password. And so this is the Windows 7. So the first is we have a tow adapter, which is the client and the server. We're going to insert that in the back panel or the front panel. So these are the Mercury to install to proceed a remote desktop session. So let's insert the adapter. First is we need to insert to the client, and the next is to the server. So you're done to attaching the two adapters. So first is we need to go to the file explorer and install or run program from your media, and click yes, and just wait to go to the 100%, and then done. And so you're going to the client computer to install the Mercury, and right click install or run program from your media, click yes, and wait to 100%. Then X, and go to your server and type cmd and right click run as administrator, click yes, and type wlan set hosted network mode equal allow ssid equal name k equal password. So after that, click enter, and the hosted network mode has been set to allow. And the next is we need to start. Type wlan start hosted network, then enter. And the hosted network started. So next is we need to go to the client, and we need to connect the Wi-Fi the server created. So type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to connect the Wi-Fi. click yes. So we just wait until the Wi-Fi connected. So it's already connected, so we need to go to the server again and click File Explorer, right click the computer, click remote settings, and allow connection from computers running any version of remote desktop less secure. Apply OK and click X, and we need to go to the control panel and network and internet, network and sharing center. Click change adapter settings, right click the wireless network connection, click properties and uncheck the IPv6 and check the IPv4. So we need to assign this to have a connection between the two computers, and click properties the IPv4 and type the IP address 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.2, and OK, then close and X, and we need to go to the client to assign the IP also, and we need to go to the control panel, click enter, and network and internet and network and sharing centers, change adapter settings and right click the Wi-Fi, click properties and check the IPv6 also, same from the server, and click the IPv4 and properties, then type 192.168.1.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1, then OK, then OK, then X, and then we need to go to the file explorer, right click the this PC, click properties and remote settings and allow remote connection to the computer or to this computer and apply OK. So the next is we need to go to the server and click Windows and search remote desktop connection. Then type the 192.168.1.2, the default gateway of the client. So click use another account and type the username of the your client and also the password, and we need to type the exact password of the client so that we can proceed to the remote desktop session. So just wait. So this is the done, click yes. So we are successfully connect the client. So type I create new folder, type the name you want to type. So I created a CSS server. So that's it, and click enter, then open the folder and create the text documents to have a proof that we are going to connect or create the text document. So click X and go to the client and log in your client. So that's it. So we are successfully performed the remote desktop. So this is the text document created from the server, and that's it. And the next is we are going to perform the checking virus. So run as administrator the command prompt and type sfc/scan now. So we need to wait and until we are due to 100%. So we are wait. So this is scanning virus is the purpose is we need to check if your computer does have a virus or does not have a virus, so that your computer will safety use when you're going to have a documents. And that's it, we are finishing the scanning virus. So click X, and the next we perform is we need to check the OS. Click run as administrator the command prompt and click yes and type chkey and tfs space e:, and enter. So the type of the file system in tfs is not dirty, so your computer is not dirty. And the next is we need to check the hard disk. So click the run as administrator viewer command prompt and type chkey ds space e:, and that's it. It is finished checking hard disk. So click X. So the next is we need to perform the defragmentation. Run as administrator the defragment and optimize, and click the drive E and analyze and optimize. So just wait to the 100% to show the defragmented, and it is already, and that's it, it's already fragmented. So click X. So the next is we need to disk clean up. So click file explorer, disk PC, and click the data A, click properties, click tools, click check, and scan drive, and it is successfully scanned. And that's it. Click X. And the next is we need to system restore and type system restore and create a restore point and click system restore. Click next. Choose the drive you wanted to system restore. So I already click highlights and click finish. Click yes, and just wait until the laptop it's already black screen. So just wait. And that's it. So this is the last progress of system restore. So we just need to wait, and that's it. Please wait while your Windows file and settings are being restored. So I already forward it because it is a long process. So this is the successful system restore completed, and the system is already.